Matchmaking UFC in 2026. Hooker versus Rafi is going to be an excellent match, as Hooker is coming off a loss and is a big name, and Rafi is just a rising talent currently. I think Rafi can beat Hooker, and it will be a great striking match and a great striking bout. Versus BSD is going to be an excellent grappling match. Both fighters are great at grappling, and both of them are submit artists. I think Arman can beat him, but I don't think it's going to be an easy fight for Arman Tsarukyan. I think BSD is also a really strong grappler, and Arman has that strength as well, so it's going to be a really interesting fight. Islam versus Ian is going to be an excellent fight. Islam Makhachev is one of the best grapplers in MMA history, and Ian Gary has a solid takedown defense. Islam is also a great striker, but I think on the feet, Ian can knock Islam out. But it is going to be more of a grappling and a takedown match, I think, and Islam will eventually take Ian Gary to the ground, and when you're to the ground with Islam, it's over. It's really hard to come out, and I think Islam can beat him, but it's going to be a really bloody fight. This is going to be a hot take from my part, because I think Yan versus Sugar Sean O'Malley is next. Why I think that? I think Murad Dvalishvili deserves to fight Yan, but I think he also deserves a break and needs a break. If he immediately rematches with Yan, I think he will lose. Sugar versus Yan is a great striking match, and I think many people believe that Sean O'Malley robbed Yan in the first fight, and I think Sugar can prove everyone wrong. It's Sugar Sean. It's Sugar Show. Topuria against Justin Gaethje, the interim champion. This is going to be a hell of a striking match, I believe. But I think Topuria will knock Justin out, because Justin has taken a lot of damage in his UFC career. He was knocked out by Max Holloway, I think, and he was submitted by Charles Oliveira. He has really good striking, but I think Ilya is just overall better on the feet, and if the fight goes to the ground, I think Ilya can submit him or beat him by ground and pound. This is all my picks. Let me know yours, guys. Next video is going to be Charles Oliveira versus Max Holloway. This fight will be pretty good, I think. On the feet, Max is just one of the best, if not the best, and on the ground, Charles is just so dangerous. This fight is really hard to predict, because anything and everything can happen.